I brought my machine down here. So the plan is to scrape this down to about here, and then next year we can plant some flowers and stuff here. Underneath here is rock. So I obviously have to cut down some trees to get access. Most of these trees were gonna go anyways because there's not much soil for the roots, so they just, like this tree, it just fell over. So I got all that firewood carried away, and I piled it up. One pile here and one there, so I can burn it when the time comes. So the plan now is to take the excavator up in this section here, and then turn it around and use the blade on the back side. Yeah, can't quite see it on the camera, but it's quite steep for the small Mini. That's That's as far as I'll go. Okay, so that was a fun job. I'm always quite impressed with how strong the machine is when it comes to climbing. I wouldn't recommend doing any digging like that if you don't have a lot of experience with these small machines, because you could easily tip over. This is ready for it will be ready for flowers next year, when all of this roots and all of this waste kind of dies down. And that root will also have to go when it's dead. This will have to dry for a while, and then I'll burn it, and then I can pull this side as well. So it will be like an island, and then I want to have lawn up like it is, and on the side here as well, so there'll be like two islands. It's a little wet in the ground here. Last year I put down this French drain, as you can see in the cabin build video. It used to be extremely wet. It still gets wet, but it dries up really fast now. So all of these roots in these gaps, when they're dead as well, I can just flush it out. So before I built this cabin, this island was just so overgrown you couldn't even get in there. You couldn't even get in because of all the thorns and stuff that was all around. So there's a lot of trees that have to come down here as well. I'm still going to clean up all of these trees, some of the trees behind there. And this, I also did this when I was kind of learning to operate the excavator. So this is way too steep. I'm also going to pull this over, make it more even, and then eventually I will work my way down in this area as well. So I decided to cut down some more trees, and I would like to put this behind that stump. So we have these two next to each other. And I had to take this tree as well because it was leaning towards the cabin. I think this is going to be quite nice when it's when we have flowers around. I might leave that one. It became a little bit more open than I was expecting. But when these two, they become big bushes, and that one was hiding in between all the hazel trees. That was, I don't know what it is, it was kind of cool, so decided to keep that. Alright.